recent surrogacy racket in Hyderabad, which was unearthed, which basically showed that patients who registered for surrogacy treatment at an IVF clinic were finally fobbed off with a baby, which was actually sold. This actually just means that the entire ART law, which was designed to prevent commercial surrogacy, is just not being implemented properly at all. And I think this is now just the tip of the iceberg because this is going on and has been going on, and it's actually fairly common knowledge. Because the reality is that altruistic surrogacy is extremely difficult because there are very few women who are willing to be altruistic surrogates. But sometimes couples are desperate that they will do anything. And given the fact that in India regulation is so poor, and unfortunately, that desperation on the part of a patient will mean that they will pay large amounts of money, even though they know that commercial surrogacy is illegal. And the bigger tragedy is that these are leading IVF clinics, but there is so much money to be made by doing this that what they will do is they will paper over the truth, which means they will get the consent forms signed off properly, which means the paperwork is perfect, but the reality is actually much murkier. And this is what happens because though the ART law was designed with good intentions, the reality is that it's created a black market for surrogacy, as a result of which ethical clinics will no longer perform it. And it's always the crooked ones who will do it left, right, and center simply because they have the opportunity to make so much more money.